Hi, Quinn here with Marq, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our free business card maker in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, go ahead and select Start Designing from the business card maker page, or you can come up to the top and select Sign Up Free in the navigation bar anywhere on the site. If you haven't already, this is going to prompt you to create a new free account with Marq. After completing those steps, you'll land on the logged in homepage of Marq, which brings us to step 2. You have a couple options. You can either come up to the top right and select New Project and then Blank Project to start from scratch. Or for this example, we're going to come over here to Search Templates and search Business Cards. We now have a handful of business card templates to choose from that are already designed with the dimensions required. Let's go ahead and select one that we like. In this case, let's grab this guy. I double-clicked on it and then I'm going to hit Create Document. Let's just give it a couple seconds to load. And I now have the beginnings of a beautiful business card that I can now react to and edit, which brings us to step 3, Start Designing. You can make edits, add and remove elements such as text, colors, shapes, imagery, and more. Let me show you quickly what I mean. Let's update this business card to be real estate. So I'm going to come over here and search for realtor. Of course, being a business, you're going to want to use your people and your images, but for our example today, let's grab just a stock image of a realtor. This will do. I'm going to hover over the image that's already in place, and it's going to replace and then resize this image. And I also want to scroll down here and grab this logo, and I'm going to double click on it. And we're going to come in here and resize it down and throw it up here in the top, and we'll remove this one. Okay, obviously black and blue do not look very well together, so let's go ahead and update this shape to be a white background. And we need to resize this image, so let's come over here to crop and mask. And we want to get both our agent and the for sale sign in, so let's actually maybe bring this down in size. And just like that, in 3 easy steps, you were able to create a beautiful business card without much technical knowledge at all. Go ahead and like and subscribe so that you can stay up on all the latest videos where we show you how to compound these tools to make the most out of Marq. For example, collaboration with your team, branded templates where you can lock in elements and components of your template, ultimately enabling your brand to do so much more. Thanks.